And welcome back to another episode, everybody. This is it. This is our final leg of the journey, making it all the way from Calgary, Alberta to aux Basques, Newfoundland. And we started our journey late, leaving Calgary at 4:30 in the afternoon and sadly only making it to Medicine Hat. But we were up bright and early in the morning and made our way all the way to Winnipeg before stopping along the way to meet up with an old friend. Always nice to do when you're traveling across the country. Left Winnipeg early in the morning and then made it to our first stop with family in Thunder Bay. Said hello to some family we haven't seen in a long time before heading out to Cabot Strait, which was just a sleeping stop along the way to our next family visit in Carleton Place, just outside of Ottawa. Beautiful countryside here. Lots of farming and really pretty areas to look at. And next stop was Fredericton, and this was a drive into the wee hours in the dark. And next morning got up early and made our way to North Sydney.
We are actually in the port of North Sydney, and we'll be leaving North Sydney to cross the Cabot Strait to arrive at our final destination in aux Basques, Newfoundland. If you did not know, the Marine Atlantic ferry service is a vital link for individuals living on the island of Newfoundland, as it is the only way to mainland Canada and really is our Trans-Canada Highway. That highway operates 4 vessels that make the journey from North Sydney to aux Basques. Those would be the Alisunu, which means the traveler in Mi'kmaq. And this ship will feature a tremendous amount of Indigenous art. The next vessels, in the fleet would be the Highlanders and the Blue Petit. These 2 vessels are sister ships and are 200 meters long, can carry over 1,000 passengers and hundreds of vehicles. And the last in the fleet would be the Leif Erikson, being primarily a commercial or transport vessel for all commercial fleet coming to and from the island. And of course, Marine Atlantic will offer all kinds of amenities on board, including a gift shop, you have a sit-down restaurant, you have buffet style, as well as some casual dining, and there's lots of seating areas throughout the ship to be able to sit and enjoy your travel across the Cabot Strait. And finally, we arrive in the beautiful Port aux Basques. We couldn't have asked for a better morning to arrive. It was absolutely gorgeous, as you can tell. So many pretty sights to see as you make your way into port. Absolutely fantastic shot here of downtown Port aux Basques, the fish plant, as well as Scott's Cove. This being my favorite shot of all, a great view of everything you can see from the ship, of the port, as well as our new home, the place that we're now calling home, that we've traveled all this distance for. There, high up on the hill, our lovely yellow house. And so we've arrived at our final destination. So happy to be here. So happy to no longer be driving in that one-way U-Haul. Let's just take a zen moment and enjoy the fact that we're in a much better place now than we were. And certainly, last but not least, all the fuel that we spent in order to get here. Believe it or not, it came to a grand total $1,753.44. Definitely a chunk of change. That being said, there was actually a cost savings built into our one-way U-Haul. We saved ourselves over $2,500 by returning the one-way U-Haul back to North Sydney and not dropping it in Port aux Basques. So a little travel tip for you. So if you liked today's content, please make sure you like this video. And believe it or not, 56% of you have not subscribed to the channel. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell so you'll be notified anytime a new video drops. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. See you in the next video.